Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can DM other people on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Now, there are two ways you can DM on Instagram. Well, technically two types of people or accounts that you can contact. The first one is people that follow you and you follow them, and the second one is accounts that you don't follow and which you can send requests to. Now, you can only send requests if somebody has a private profile. If they don't, you can easily message them like in the standard way, but let me just show you how it is done. Now, if you have already some accounts that follow you, as you can see in the top right, you have this sort of message icon. You just want to click on that, this messenger icon right next to the heart. Click on that, and then you'll get to your suggestions, you'll get to the people you've already chatted with, and you'll be able to see some, accounts which you can send messages to. This is my second account, so if I go into the chat, as you can see, I've customized the background and everything. But now if you type on message, you will be able to send the message to that account, and that's pretty much it. The request system goes just the same. You just have to search for the account and try to message that account, and the first message that you send will be a request, and until they accept that request by messaging you back, you won't be able to send another one. But that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.